Okay, guys, I'm going to show you a few more tricks here, some options you can do. So let's just say you don't want a circular background and you want this to just get cut out the way that it is. So I could take this image, and if I change the fill to transparent and then set the stroke to 0.001, now it will just cut this entire thing with all the holes out of your piece of wood, and you'll have a very wafer-like carving. So this is another option. Now I'm going to go to Edit, Undo Stroke, okay, and Edit, Undo Apply Swatch. So we're back to normal here. I'm going to show you another thing we can do also. So I'm going to take the ellipse tool. Okay, I'm going to try to find the center. Okay, Alt-Shift, click and drag. And I'm going to do a circle that's just going to kind of touch most of the leaves and roots. Okay, again, we're going to change the fill to transparent. Okay, and I'll set the stroke to 0.001. Okay, and the order sometimes matters of how you do these things, and sometimes it doesn't. So now I'm going to make another circle. Okay, so I'm going to just click right here and then go back to the ellipse and find the center, Alt-Shift. I'll drag another circle. I'm going to make this a little bit thick, maybe like right there. Okay, then I'm going to deselect, just click somewhere here, another ellipse. I want to make a little holder. So I'm going to go to the anchor, Alt-Shift, and I guess like that big is pretty good. And before I do anything else, one more to establish the hole, and you'll see what I mean. So again, center, Alt-Shift, and that's pretty good. I like that. So now what I'm going to do is, let me just do a Control plus to zoom in on this area here. Okay, and then we'll, okay. So what I'll do now is I want this to be joined with this. So I'm going to hold down, I'm going to select this, and hold down Shift and select this. And then I'm going to go to Window and Pathfinder. I'm going to click on this, the minus back. Click on that. There we go. So now what I have is, it is now joined to my border. Okay, that worked. And then with this one, I'm going to click on this circle and then shift on this circle, and I'm going to say Unite. There we go. That is ready. If I click on everything and just make sure they all have paths of thousandths, okay, you can, if you want to scale anything up, okay, because I still have some room to move this around, so I'm going to select everything. Okay, I'm going to group it. I can also right click on it and say group. Okay, and then now I can drag it over. So I'm going to click on this and just drag it over and Control minus, and I can hold down Shift to do a uniform scale. Again, try to get it a little bit bigger, and that should carve out really nicely. Okay, again, file save, give it a good name, and you'll be set. All right, guys, thank you.